Liberty Walk Lexus LC500 is riveting. And we thought the 2018 Lexus LC500 looked pretty wild in stock form. Liberty Walk offers not just one, but two wide body kits for the cool coupe. A new LC500 will set you back at least $92,995, in case you need a donor car. The Japanese tuner's first body kit for the car includes front, side, and rear diffusers, a big ducktail rear spoiler, and super wide fenders bolted on with visible rivets. Rage ADM. The car is also slammed to the pavement and will make you cringe at the sight of a speed bump outside of your local 7-Eleven. The package retails for $15,560 in fiber-reinforced polymer, FRP, or $19,440 for one made with carbon fiber-reinforced polymer, CFRP.